So in this video we're going to introduce the idea of factorizing an algebraic expression. Okay, and this is quite a difficult concept, so I'm going to sort of try and give you a method for doing it. So we've got factorize each of the following: x squared minus 2x, 8x minus 12x squared, and then 9x squared minus 15x cubed. So part A is x squared minus 2x. Now x squared means x times x minus 2x. So the idea is you split it up like this. I've put my multiplication signs in a different colour. You don't have to actually do that. Now the method relies you now on pairing, looking at this bit and looking at this bit and pairing up the same terms. So we've got an x and an x which we can pair up. So we'll circle those. There's nothing else that can be paired up, so we'll just say the common factor is x, and we'll introduce a bracket, and then what's left is x minus 2. And therefore, this x squared minus 2x factorizes x brackets x minus 2. Now, in time, you won't need to do this step. But part B, you've got 8x minus 12x squared. So now we've got a number as well. What's the highest number that goes into 8 and 12, and that is 4. So we're going to write 8 as 2 times 4. We've still got times x. And then we're going to write 12 as minus 3 times 4. And x squared is times x times x. And then we're going to do a similar thing by pairing up like the same terms. So we've got a 4 and a 4. So we'll write that down. And we've got an x and an x. So we'll write that down. And now we'll introduce a bracket. What we've got left here, we've got a 2. And here we've got a minus 3x. So 8x minus 12x squared is 4x brackets 2 minus 3x. C, 9x squared minus 15x cubed. So same idea. What's the highest number that goes into 9? Both 9 and 15 is 3. So we're going to write 9 as 3 times 3. X squared is x times x. And we're going to write 15 as 3 times 5. And x cubed as x times x times x. Again, we're going to pair up the same terms. So we're going to pair up a 3 and a 3. We'll write that down. And we're going to 3 and 5 can't be paired up because they're not the same. We've got an x and an x. We'll write that down. So we've got an x, and we've still got another x and an x which we can pair up. So instead of writing x times x, of course, we now go back to writing x times x as x squared. Now, in the bracket, we're going to be left with here we've just got a 3 not circled, and here we've got a minus 5x not circled. So we end up with 3x squared brackets 3 minus 5x. Okay, so this has been a video to show you, to introduce the idea of factorization. Now, in time, given that, you'll be able to go straight to that. But I suggest you try to use some sort of method when you first tried to do this. I hope you've understood.